Hello, this is Brian from ZAB Design. Today we're going to talk about how to purchase and set up a new hosting service. First, let's head to our website at zabdesign.com and let's scroll down to hosting packages. And as you can see, we have 80% discount and also offering free SSL certificate in all of our packages. Alright, let's go with the gold package. And on this page you can choose any additional add-ons you may need to add to your package. And let's go down. You can see there are many additional services we offer, but the main service we really recommend is website maintenance. This is our most popular add-on for those who want to keep their focus on their business and have our team to take care of everything, including content updates, backups, security performance scans. And one of the biggest advantage with this package is that you don't have to pay any extra fees to freelancers or any of those companies out there trying to charge you by hour for any of these services. And this is a good service. If you're interested, we will be happy to help. Alright, so let's go back here and click on continue. On this page you can review your order, and you can see there is a $5 initial setup fee, but then only $9.99 per month for this service. And down here you can see promo code. If you have any, you can apply it here. And to stay up to date with our news feed and see ongoing promotion, please like and follow our Facebook and Instagram at ZAB Design Team, and you can find the links in our website, but I will also leave the links in description. Okay, let's click on checkout. Here is where you enter your personal and as well as billing information, which is right down here. And if you scroll down, this is where you put your password, and then your payment information. You can ignore start date and issue date, that it doesn't apply to a lot of people. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see our terms of service. Make sure you click on the link and review the terms of service, as well as domain registration agreement up here if you're buying a domain from us. Then make sure you check this box before doing anything, and then click on complete order. After completing your order, you should expect two emails. One is your payment receipt, and next email is your account info with information on how to get to your cPanel with your username and temporary password, which we highly recommend changing after initial login. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment or send us an email for any question that you might have. And thank you for watching this video and supporting us. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and click on thumbs up if you like this video. It motivates us to do more videos for you.